WRO is an organisation and in fact a community that is intended to try and encourage young people to fulfil their potential through STEM with a particular focus on robotics. WRO is hugely exciting. I see this particular set of programmes as being hugely influential. They can transform the lives of young people.
WRO for us is a fantastic platform spanning almost 100 countries, 100,000 students who are all passionate about STEM.
Our mission is to inspire as many young people as possible to take an interest in STEM. We want to give equal opportunities to every young, curious mind out there. And for that to happen, we need to be everywhere.
The open attitude of Red Hat has really helped to articulate something that we've been trying to do in WRO for a long time. We are a community organisation. We take inspiration from our community, we develop ideas based upon merit, and we are also trying to be agnostic when it comes to the different platforms that we use. There are many dozens of countries around the world where we can be making a huge difference through the combination of WRO in partnership with Red Hat. WRO has 4 main competition categories: Robo Sports and the Robo Mission categories, and then you have Future Innovators and Future Engineers.
WRO specifically is about how these learners use robotics to overcome common problems.
I'm Charlene and I'm from Malaysia.
Palestine, USA,
Germany,
Denmark,
Greece.
I'm from Karachi, Pakistan.
My project is it's called Medicine Management Robot.
Our project is all about bringing the elderly people into our digitalized world.
We are rescuing flood affectees from the dangerous situations.
Our project is called the CareBot, and it is a robot for elderly people who still live at home.
What we created is a fully automated garbage bin which separates trash based on its material.
It's a vending machine for medicine in the real verse and the metaverse.
My project's about pet companion named Pet Buddy.
This is where people get to know technology, and this is where we should be. Getting to know these people, getting interaction, getting involved with them, with their ideas.
Events like that cannot exist without open software and open hardware. And most of these robots that I've seen today and yesterday would not exist if not open source.
I think it's really inspiring. People from all over the world with different backgrounds, different cultures, different ages even. They have so much intelligence that we can just put together, make a better world, make better robots and help people in the end. And I think that's beautiful.
Our mindset, our being open to everybody. There's so many people collaborating across nations, across genders, across religions, across beliefs. This is where the future lies.